right front, just barely past that little ledge. Right. Straight. There you go. Keep it. Hold it. Tad left. Oh. Damn. See, that's where that ball is. Green shining in there. Gotta go in the water. You gotta go in the water. I was like dirty. I just did that shit. That's cute. You got off. There you go. Ah. Easy. No power. Straight, keep it going. Cradle that V. Perfect. Dirt. Kicked out. Damn it.
Great.
I got a sand.
Yeah. You think you can get out of it? Holy shit.
I'm wondering why he just stays so far away from his truck.
He said, "Yeah, my." There you go.
I got
There you go. Straight through.
over in my bag. Probably there was
9, 10, or what do they got today? Oh, the little bitty guy. Oh, that's a Ventura rig. Okay. I've always had to go with it.
I got my controller, so I got exterior and interior.
That's easy.
No, where are you going?
Ooh, this would be a doozy. This would be a fun one.
Yeah. Let me see a truck.
Want the what? Yeah.
Yeah. Holy shit.
I was wondering why he would just stay so far away from his truck and not work.
He's like, "Yeah, my way." I not want to get my way.
He's over here. I think I made this up without these rocks here, to be honest with you, if I remember correctly.
That's pretty damn good.
Like, please help me.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah! Brian.
Well, what's the top of it? Listen to the camera and stuff.
Left.
I like the exhaust coming out the side too, almost as rock sliders.
They are. They're solid.
They're plastic or
No, they're solid aluminum.
Those are metal?
They're real deal rock sliders.
No
Feel it.
crap, dude. That's
Feel it.
dope, man.
It'll bang up against anything.
Dude.
Mounted straight to the
Are they
chassis.
designed exactly for that?
Yeah, they're handmade by him.
I made them.
No shit. Who's him?
Me?
No shit. That's dope, dude.
Bumpers are made too.
Nice, man.
Yeah, they're not just for looks.
Normally it's freezing cold.
You made those too, yeah.
I made the whole. Where's your rig?
Trail over there.
I can't. I'm really playing some box around here. Oh, it's not. It's right there on that. Oh, I hope they are.
I'd say it too.
I don't know if I'm gonna follow you.
Is there any fishes over there?
And wiggled it around this top point. Left, hard left, Mellow, hard left, hard left. And then keep going. Now back down right on the other side of that point. Yep, keep it in there. It was a slight touch.
You can stay down on the flat.
That could probably stay down.
Stay down.
Although his rims are wide.
Yeah, stay right there. You're fine.
Deep dishers.
Fine.
And then come out.
Radio on there, good.
I want to explain.
Yep, let that right tire, or left tire stay there. Yep, follow hard left, and just keep kind of slowly follow it around. You're gonna tip potentially, so wiggle steer and right.
Nice.
There it is.
Nice. Keep driving right, this way.
Left.
Ah! No! Put me right there. Yeah, perfect.
Keep driving left hard.
Yep.
And stay driving left until you get up on top of it. Stay left until you get on top of it.
Hey, a monkey.
You're fine.
I'm using the tire of your truck to kind of
Keep driving forward and left. You're fine.
That left rear needs to get up. I can't see it.
Now,
You'll be all right.
turn
It's
back.
up.
You're
It's
good.
up.
You're
Now
good.
maybe
You're good.
back
Turn
and try it again.
And you went up right here, right?
Well, I
pretty
backed
much.
up. I backed up with left, and then hard right and straight up. Right about there. Yep.
That's a good ledge to catch. I'm hooking.
You got it. You got it.
Ooh, back up. Try it again. Back up another inch, maybe.
There it is. There it is. Hard
Yep.
left.
Keep
Just
cutting it.
stay
Keep
hard
cutting it.
left.
Keep cutting it left. Keep cutting it left.
Stay hard left.
Oh, right. Oh.
Damn.
Motherfucker. I get it.
Ah,
Straight.
you know the pond's over there, you know.
Go.
I didn't get it on video. Alright, now we can get a couple more. Alright, hard right. There you go. Ride that ledge all the way through. Hard right. Yes.
I don't know if I can make it underneath that. If I can't make it, I'll have to go to the bottom ledge. My top roll cage will hit it.
You know the pond's way over there.
You got it. You got it.
Bro, you need a video of that, DJ. That clearance is.
Say when.
Win.
Now did you fall?
I did fall.
Ooh, challenge accepted.
I probably should have stayed up a little bit more, but I went right down there. I was teetering.
Just like this?
I was teetering, yeah, and I
Got some next lip. There it is. You caught the lip. You caught the lip.
Yep. I got no choice but to ride the edge all the way through so I come back down. That would be the best way down right there. I kind of went too far.
Done.
Oh, that's one way. You could probably go off that drop or mellow just went. Left, 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 left.
Pay attention. I wasn't either. Right over the top. I'm so sorry. That was funny.
Left. There you go. Now right. You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it, you got it. Ooh, you riding that ledge.
Oh,
Dang it, let's get the
man, I was halfway out on that thing. Half. I'm not gonna do it. Talk about internals.
yeah, on wrist shaft, anything.
What are they? 3/8" steel?
I had my wrist. I think I attempted.
Quarter inch.
I attempted. I can look at that stuff. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, right here.
Okay. Well, is it waterproof?
I made all the rest of it. Get that on video.
I don't know.